January 2024 was a back and forth month with not only a lot of rain for a couple of days, but of course with some bitter cold temperatures too. We started out with a decent amount of rain on January 2nd, then kind of quieted down in the rainfall department, switching gears to focus on the Arctic blast arriving right around Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Those frigid temperatures the following week turned into an ugly, cool and drippy week of weather before we closed the month out with spring-like warmth across central Texas. In fact, our highest high temperature 77 degrees, coldest high temperature was 24. Such a huge difference from one part of the month to the other. And the average high temperature was 54.7 degrees. That is 4.4 degrees cooler than normal. The low temperatures were also cooler than normal as well, lowest of which was 12 degrees, which the highest of which was 49. The average low temperature for the month was 32.5 degrees. That is 3.3 degrees colder than normal. January set 3 cold high temperature records and 2 cold low temperature records as well. That period from January 14th to the 16th was actually the 15th coldest 3-day period in history, with an average high temperature of 27 degrees, and the average high and average low together. That brings us the 20th coldest average temperature in the month of January and the coldest since 2007. We did not lack in the rainfall department either, with multiple days with at least 1/10 of an inch of rain, 2 days with at least an inch of rain, including on January 2nd and January 22nd. 4.55 inches of rain. That was almost 2 inches more rain than we normally see in a January. We may have only set one rainfall record on January 22nd, but that was the first day we have seen 2 inches of rain since November 2022, and the 4.55 inches that fell makes it the 9th rainiest January in history and the rainiest January since 2013.